In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate your product like a pro. Perfect for showcasing your brand, launching a new product, or creating eye-catching content for social media and marketing campaigns. Let's dive in. Creating a blank page with the Pinterest video format. Go to Elements and search for rounded square. I'm also changing its color to dark brown. And decrease the corner radius. Go to Text or press T on the keyboard. Type the website address or official product page. Change its color as well. Change its font to Inter with regular subfont. Give it italic style too. Go to Share and download it as PNG with transparent background. I'll delete this, and I'll upload the page I downloaded. I'll change the background color. I'll also import the product images. Press C on the keyboard. I'm also changing its color. Fill the entire page and center it. Go to Position and send it down. I'll go to Text, and I'm going to add the text. I'm changing the font to Inter, with a regular subfont. I'm also giving it an italic style. I'll get a duplicate of it. I'm changing the subfont to bold. Go to Effect and apply neon, then decrease the intensity. Apply the same effect to this text as well. For the text above, apply the lift effect and also decrease the intensity. I'll import the page I uploaded and place it at the bottom. The base design is complete. Now it's time to animate the elements. Select the first text. Go to Animate. Apply the skate to it. Do the same for the other text. Ensure it's set to On Enter. Apply the baseline animation to the products. Apply Fade to the text below. And increase the speed. Apply the rise to the last element and increase the speed. Apply baseline to the circle as well. Now I'm going to adjust the duration of each layer because I don't want them all to appear at the same time. I select the product and reduce its duration to a few hundredths of a second. Duplicate the page. In the second page, remove all the animations. When we duplicate the page, the animations on the first page are set to both. Go back to the first page and set everything to on enter. Hope you're liking what you're seeing. If you do, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. A like on this video is always appreciated. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you know when new video go live. Drag the beginning of the layers to the end of the first page's layers. I will reduce the duration of both pages. Duplicate the second page and reduce the scale of the circle. Duplicate the third page. Increase the layer duration to about 2 seconds. I want the product to pass through this one. So, I go to the layers and move the layers around. Duplicate the page. Follow the same steps. I will also include the product logo. I apply the match and move transition from page 2 onwards. Let's see the preview. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, make sure to click the bell icon.